Everyone, how are you guys? I hope you guys are great. Please comment if you can, like, my voice is audible to all of you. Hi Rupa, how are you? Thank you for coming, Rupa. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling well from past 4 to 3 days continuous taking the classes, so that is the reason. So guys, first of all, Oliveboard banking super elite practice kit is there, the right practice at every level. As all of you can see, we have the Quant, reasoning, English, current affairs. I'll show you that what kind of questions are there. I really find it Quant question of beginner level a very good, means I'm just finding out the beginners level which are very good. So I'll show you one, and let me just give you one more glimpse, which is, guys, you know that Oliveboard birthday bash is there, which end on 20th of July, which is flat 62% off on all banking 2026 plans, all courses, mock test and notes. So code is basically B-Day. If you want to apply, you can just apply for it. Okay, good. So I would like that everyone should join. So let me just share the link to all of the students. So join me, guys. So I have also mentioned that. I think all of you will come joining me. So slowly they'll come and then join. Okay. So what now you can ask me that, so what kind of topic we are going to discuss today? Right. So what is we are going to basically discuss today? So guys, at previous week what we did, all of you know now, that previous week we solved almost all portions of speed maths, isn't it? Previous week we solved all the portions of speed maths. If I talk about speed maths, correct, means the portion which you can score easily marks, like approximation. First of all, okay, I'll revise in the last days also. Approximation, then we have done for the simplification, then we solved quadratic, and then we solved number series, and this is a two-part number series, and again the second part is wrong number series. So all this we have done. So basically now what we are going to discuss today, so we guys solving all the arithmetic portion today. Okay, means arithmetic means we are going to solve percentage, okay, and slowly each and every chapter, correct. So should I start the class, everyone? Rupa, should I start the class on percentages? Will it be fine for you? Should I start the class on percentage, everyone? Please say, should I start the class on percentage? Yes sir. Hi Ashish. Hi, hello. So this is the first question. Please try. So this is a percentage and mixture allegation both. So guys, please try. Come on. Please try this. I hope this is visible. Please, Rupa, Devi, Karan. Good evening, Ashish. How are you? I hope slowly everyone will join us. Good evening. So guys, I would request all of you, those who want to revise this chapter, please share them. Okay, Today is Monday. I really want that everyone should go through these questions. It's very good question, guys. Again, a good practice level question, that a solution of sugar and milk contain 26% sugar by weight. 26% sugar by weight means what? Sugar is of 26% and out of 100%, the milk would be 74%. After boiling, 63 kg of milk evaporates and the solution now contains 40% of sugar. Now leave out this part, that 63 kg, because only talk about percentage and percentage. First you solve, then I will make you solve. Anyone is doing this? First you guys solve, then I will solve each and every part so that you guys can understand. Let me make you clear this. Okay, a solution of sugar and milk contain 26% sugar. So first of all, guys, have a point. If you're not doing it, let me just show you. We have sugar and milk. Now sugar is basically 26% by weight. Percent can be cancelled out as well. Then how many milk would be there? Then 74%. And you know, because in ratio the percentage would be cancelled out. So this simply become 26:34. 26:34. Just wait. Now something have been done. 63 kg of milk evaporates and the solution now contains 40% sugar. Now something have been done. Now sugar and milk is in the ratio, which is sugar is having 40%. Now again this is 40 and this becomes 60. Is it clear, guys? Make sense, everyone? So now you can cancel it out. This becomes 26. 13 times becomes 1 and 3. 13:37, right? And this becomes how much? 2:3. 2:3. In simple ratio, I've just changed the ratio. 1 become 13:37 and 1 become 23:3. Now guys, the point is that, have you seen that in the ratio chapter, we can write is in the sugar and milk and sugar and milk and then sugar and milk. This sugar and sugar should be same. How it can be same, everyone? This can be same if you can multiply this bit 2 and if you can multiply this bit 13. Is it clear? If you multiply this bit 2 and this bit 13, now your new ratio will become what? See, your new ratio will become, I hope you guys are watching, your new ratio will become 13 2 is how much? 26. So now sugar and milk ratio is basically 26:2 and this becomes 74 again, but this time this becomes 26 and 13 3 is 39. This becomes 39. Okay, now see, your sugar is same and your milk is now different. Why sugar is same? Because 23 kg of milk is getting evaporated. So that's why I have made the sugar level same. And due to something after boiling, the milk is getting evaporated. Here the milk is 74. Now it becomes how much? 39. So can I say, according to ratio, 35 gets evaporated, but in the question it's saying 63 is getting evaporated. Is it right? So 35 equals to 63. So 100 would equal to how much? Again, unitary method, guys. Can we follow the unitary method? Yes, which is 63 divided by 35 multiplied by 100. Am I right? Say yes or no. Everyone. Now 7 5s are 35 and 7 9s are and 5 2s are 20, and which is how much? 180 is the answer. So basically what they're asking, find the original quantity of solution. So 100% value is basically 180. So the answer to this question is 180. Say, everyone understood this? Come on, say. Any doubt in this question? A very good question, guys. Every time what is taken out other than that part should be made equal. So taken out was the milk. What I made equal? I made equal the sugar. Is this clear? Please comment. Is this question clear to all of you? Hi Nilaksh, how are you? Is this question clear to all of you? Please say. Please say, am I audible now? Can you solve one more question on this part? Okay. Can you solve one more question on this part? One more similar pattern. हाँ हो जाएगा. Yeah. Please solve. One more question. Please everyone solve. A pre-level question, a good level of question. Always you will see such kind of question in the exam, and you have an option also. I've given you option for this question. Please try. What will remain same? Just answer me. Which had 15% salt and the remaining solution had 20% salt. After 30 kg of water had been evaporated. What is getting evaporated? Water is getting evaporated. What will remain same? Salt will remain same. Keep in mind. What will remain same? The salt will remain same. Here the evaporation done with the water. So you need to take that. What water will be changing now? Yeah, come on. If anyone. Okay, if you're not solving, let's see that. I hope in between I'll get many answers. I hope that in between I'll get many answers because you guys are solving. Please see everyone. Read the lines carefully and then answer. After 30 kg of water had been evaporated from a solution of salt and water which had 15% salt. So guys, first of all, we have a salt and then we have a water. Okay. If salt is 15%, then water would be how much? 85%. Because total is 100%. The remaining solution had 20% salt. Now, first let me clear you one thing. Let me write down this here so that it is quite clear. So, salt, this is salt and this is water. Salt is 15 and water is 85. So, can you just make this ratio as in shorter form, which is 3:17? Make sense? This is 3:17, na? Fine, na? 3:17. Okay. Now something have been done. Now the salt and water, something have been done here. Okay. Now salt and water having 20% salt. 20% salt and 80% water. So 20% salt and 80% water. The ratio will become how much? 1:4. 1:4. What I said? What you are like, salt should be same. To make salt same, what you need to do? You multiply this equation by 3, this whole number. So this will become 3 and this will become 12. 17 is becoming 12 again, but according to this, 30 kg of water is getting evaporated. So can I say if 13 becoming 12, there is a difference of 5. In the ratio term, it is 5, but in the quotient, it's 30. If 5 is 30, 1 is 6, 1 is 6. What is the question? The weight of the original solution. Weight of the original solution is what? This is 17 plus 3, 20. 1 is 6, 20 is how much? 20 into 6, which is how much? 120 is the answer to this question. So my option number 3. Please say, is this clear everyone? Today I think we don't have toppers. Today toppers are busy in something else. Everyone got this? Come on, say. I think today toppers haven't got any information about the class. Is this clear everyone? Please say. Nethu Rajan, Nethu Willington, Shalini, is this clear to you? Should we go for next question? Okay. Now guys, I'll give you one more question on this part. Can you all answer me in the comment section? I'll give you one more question on this part. Can you all answer me in the comment section? All of you will like give me the answers. All of you. I'll explain like 2 questions on this part. I've explained 2 questions on this part. Now I want that every one of you should answer me. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, solve. Hi Mehak. Topper arrived. So guys, we got the topper now. And I would urge and request all of you that do like it. Do like my session. Okay. Do like my session. It's okay. So we have Mehak in the class. Our topper arrived now. Let's see. Topper arrived, guys. Topper arrived. Okay, topper had given the answer 30. Anybody else? You were asking about the topper. Now topper arrived and she had given already the answers. 10, 90, 20. What are you answering? Come on everyone. I've made you like 2 questions on this part. Now it's your chance. Come on guys, answer me. We have explained 2 parts on this question. 2 parts. Now I want all of you to answer. 30. Okay, 30, 30, 30. Very good. Now see how you can solve this question very fastly. A solution consists 10% solved by weight. 10% means, see guys, 10% means, I'll write down here. 10% means 10 is to 90 means 1 is to 9. Okay, first of all. On evaporates, 15 liter of water evaporates. What will remain same? Salt. Okay. Now concentration of salt becomes 20%. Now the salt becomes 20% means 20 is to 80 means 1 is to 4. So this is 1 is to 4. Everything is fine. This is the easiest question because already salt is same. Already salt is same, 1 here and 1 here. According to you, what is the decrement? 5. 5 is basically how much? 15. If 5 is 15, 1 is 3. If 1 is 3, what they're asking? Find the initial quantity of solution which is 10. Which is 10. 10 into 3 is 30. So 10 into 3 is 30. Easiest question. Easiest question everybody. Solve this. Come on. Come on, solve this one. Fast everyone. Fast, fast, fast. Fast guys, fast. Yeah, topper didn't even read the question. That I don't know. That I don't know what topper does. Topper had a good practice. Why would topper read it? Already they are topper. Now see guys, now if anybody can answer this question, I give them guarantee that they will clear SBI PO Pre. Oh ho ho ho. Outstanding, outstanding, outstanding. Okay, that's very good by the way. And this same question, see guys, what SBI is doing. This same question was asked in SBI PO pre-level of exam. Okay, and if you had a practice, see how fastly you can solve this question. Again, all things depends upon your practice. So first of all, 45% solution of salt and water contains 45% salt. Salt is 45%. Then your water would be 55%, 45 and 55 it will give you 9:11. Okay, this is salt and this is water. I am solving fast because you know you don't have much more time. Now 90 kg of water evaporates. Water is getting evaporated. Now 60%, 60:40 again gives you what? 3:2. So this will give you 3:2. But again guys, you need to have in that mind that your salt will remain same, and if your salt will remain same, multiply this equation by 3. If you multiply this equation by 3, now this very equation becomes what? This very equation becomes 9:6. Now see the decrement. 11 minus 6 is basically 5. So 5 is equal to how much? 90. If 5 is 90, 1 is 18, right? 1 is how much? 5 is 90. 1 is how much? Come on, say guys. 1 is how much? Anyone? 5 is 90, then 1 is how much? Nobody's here. Why comment section is like very shant and that? 1 is 18. Nobody is answering. 1 is 18. Now if 1 is 18, find the original quantity, which is 9 plus 11, 20, which is 360 is the answer. And you can search, this was the question asked in the exam. Everyone, yes, now try answering guys. Come on, talk in the comment section. The more you will talk, the more people will join us. Come on, answer me. All are percentage based problems. Complete, done and busted. Done and finish. Comment fast. So $50. $17 people are watching me. 17 to like average is 20 people watching me, but only 12 likes are there. Why you are so conjuice in giving me the likes? Why? Understand my point. I've given you the word that I will be there for you till last date of exam. So guys, please don't be conjuice. Do share the session. First of all, a solution contain, now see, everything is in terms of percentage. Now it's very good questions on percentage. Why I am asking this question? Because this kind of question always been asked in the exam. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. That's very good. Very good. A solution contains X% of sugar by weight. X% of sugar by weight. Then water would be how much? If this is X%, then water would be 100 minus X%. Remove that X. Remove that percentage from your mind. This is X. Fine. I can write like this. No worries. No worries. On evaporation of X by 2 liters of water, now concentration of sugar becomes 20%. So if this is 20%, see, this is 20%, this is 80%. There is some change have been done. What have been done? There is some change have been done. Through this change, what have happened? See what they are saying, that on evaporation X by 2, they have done like evaporation of X by 2 of water. Correct. Correct. Now see guys, if you see this is also percentage, this is also percentage, can I say this is 10? And if this is 10, let us suppose that this water is 10, then how much it gets evaporated? Can I say evaporation part is nothing but 10 minus x by 2? Makes sense. Evaporation part. Come on. Come on. It's same that you have done the previous problem. It's same that you have done the previous problem. Correct? Of 10 is left from x by 100, which is equal to how much? Which is equal to how much? Can you answer? Which is equal to how much? 10 minus x by 2. See guys. Which is equal to 10 minus x by 2 of 20 by 100. Is it right? Just solve it. This 100, this 100, this and this will cancel out. The value of x simply is what, you know? The value of x is 10. Now they are asking you what, you know? The value of 5x. 5 into 10 is 50. It was only in terms of percentage. Nothing was rocket science in this. Everybody, I guess you guys have understood. Clear. Let's go for. Now in percentage you will also find some questions on election voting system. Okay. In percentage you will also find some questions on election based. So as of we are dealing with the pre-level of question. So pre-exam lies like one question with the percentage part, which is amount of things taken out, and then they ask question on election. So now we are dealing up with the election. First question with the election. Please. "14 likes, 14 people, 18 likes, 14 people." I don't know why. $5,000. Okay. Now, those who are joining me for the first time, please understand. Two candidates participated in an election. 20% voter were declared invalid. First of all, guys, let us assume total votes would be 100x. Total voters is 100x. 20% were declared invalid. So 20% is invalid. Invalid. So valid would be 80. 80% would be valid. Okay. 48% of total votes and won by 8,000. Now there is a something 48x. Winner got 48x. So loser would be get how much? 32. Correct. X. Now won by this number of 8,000 of the votes. But in terms of x, it is winning with how much? 16. So can I say 16x is equal to 8,000? Makes sense. From here this goes 500 times. X is equal to 500. They're asking you what? Find the total number of voters. Total is basically 100x. 100 into 500 give you 50,000 is the correct answer. I think everyone have answered me correctly. Correct? No doubt in it? Okay. I think everyone understood. Come on, say. This is another part of the pre-level of the question. So those who are preparing, guys, do keep in this that these kind of question 100% is going to be asked in the exam. Okay. Now let me give you one more thing. Let me ask you one more thing. Actually, I was scrolling down the wait a minute. I was scrolling down the test which is Oliveboard. Wait a minute, guys. Let me just go through the question. I hope that you have seen this one. Okay, wait a minute. You have seen this question, guys. Number series. Let me show you. I hope you have seen this. Beginner. I have find some very good questions on number series beginner level. Okay, is it fine? Which is, have you seen this one? Yes or no? Come on, say. This one, basically the slide which I shown you here. Banking super elite practice kit. Anyone? Have you seen these things? Yes or no? Have you seen these things, guys? Let me just open that. Okay, but I think this was the only part. Yes, no? Everybody? No. How many of you gone through this site? I have seen one question, that's what I'm asking. So can you start giving the test? Can you answer this question? Find the missing number in the following series. I hope this is visible to all of you. What is the series that 22, 25, 50, 55, 165? Can you answer me the series question? Come on, say. Just wait, everyone. This is the site which is get opened. Come on, say. I have seen, see, this is the banking super practice kit. We have a quant, we have a reasoning, we have English. As you have seen that I have taken one of the solution because I have given this test everybody. So you can just go and you will see that this is the first question. What should I mark? What should I mark? 172. Okay, those are asking 172. Okay, I have answered 172. Okay, we will be discussing the problem as well. What is the solution of this? Let's come to the second part. So let's come to our point. First of all, I just wanted to show you the question. So come on, solve this. Please, everybody. That's what was the logic? What was the logic? That's very good. Only 3 students are answering me. Why only 3 people are answering me? Only 3. This is very disappointing. Why only 3? I think a lot of people will answer me, but only 3 people are answering. That's very bad. In an election, Aman and Suman are 2 candidates. So again, guys, election is there. So total voter would be 100x. Voter is basically 100x. Okay. 20% voters were declared invalid. So out of this, can I say 20% is invalid? If 20% is invalid, 80% are valid. If 80% are valid, okay, Suman secured 40% of the valid vote. 40% of the valid vote, 40% of 80 is how much? Is 40% of 80 is 32x, correct? Then remaining 60, so this would be how much? This would be how much? 48, because some should be same only. Now they are saying what? Defeated by 1600. The difference is what? Come on, 16. If 16x is equal to 1600, then x is equal to 100. Now multiply this, because they are asking the total. 100 into 100, 100 into 100, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 is the answer. Very good, very good. Very good, those are answering. Very good, guys. Let's solve this. Second question. Ashish, you are answering, getting everything? Yes or no? I think Ashish is not answering. Come on, Ashish. Are you there? Come on, answer me this question, Ashish. Not the same question. This is different question. This is the another question. Anyone? Come on, solve. You guys are not solving. Okay. Let us assume again that total votes would be 100x. Okay. 10% did not cast their vote. 10% is not casting. So basically 10% is not casting. The total thing is going on 100x. Fine. were declared invalid, and 10% declared invalid. Okay, 10% of 90 is 9, so 9x were declared invalid. So out of this, 9x is invalid. Remaining is 81x. Okay. Now a winning candidate got 60%. So out of 60x, out of this 60x got by like winning candidate, the remaining is how much? 60, 80 means 21x. This is the difference. Difference is basically of 39x, and you know 39x is equal to 3900. This will go 100 times. Okay. This was the same question. No, there is one more extra thing added. Find the total number of voters. This is 10,000. There is not same question. Na? Earlier question was not same. This is also not the same. Come on, answer me. Another question. Can we have some other? Because we have done on voters part. No, today we have on voters. Yes, today we have done the two parts. Again, what? Come on, solve. This is again on voters. Please try this, guys. This is another kind of question, and I would say this is very good question. Requires some extra thing. Okay, let me make you clear. Two candidates participated in an election. 20% voter did not cast their vote. Again, guys, let's understand that total is 100x. First of all, okay, 20% did not cast their vote. So game is on what? Did not cast the vote. Let me now say that did not cast is basically 20x. Okay. And 2000 votes were declared invalid. Okay, invalid is 2000. Okay, winner candidate got 60% of valid votes and get elected by 200 vote. And now see again, you have did not cast vote and then you have casted vote. So vote cast would be how much? See, vote cast is basically 80x because did not cast. This is vote cast. Invalid is another thing. So valid vote would be how much? See, from here try to understand. Valid vote is who casted the vote minus the valid votes. Invalid votes. So how many people casted the votes? 80x people casted the votes. Okay, vote cast minus of invalid votes means 2000. This is the valid votes. Correct. This is the valid votes, everybody. Keep in mind. Now, okay. Now the point is that in this only you are having winners and losers. Makes sense. 60% vote were elected. So 60%, then loser would get 50%. The winning percentage difference is 20%. In the number, it's 1200. Correct now. 20% is equal to 1200. 100% is 6,600, sorry. 6,000, sorry. So can I say that this is your valid votes? So your valid vote is 80x minus of 2000 is equal to 6,000. X is equal to 100. Clear? If X is equal to 100, then find the total number of voters. Again multiplied by 100, this is 10,000. Option number D. Clear? Clear, everybody? This was again a good level of question. Please solve. All the part on the voter choice we have done. Last question. Last question, come on. Do it mentally, guys, okay? Let me solve this mentally. A candidate conducts an election, the winner candidate scored 63%. Winner is 60%, then loser is how much? Winner 63%, loser is 37%. Now see, guys, okay, the difference is basically 26%. Difference 26% is equal to what? 52. See the point. 1% is equal to how much? 2. 1% is 2, then 100% is how much? 200. This much is clear to all of you. Find the total number of voters polled in the election. Now you need to find it out, total number of voters polled in the election. First of all, you need to figure it out that 69 voters declared invalid. Okay, so out of 100x, 69 were declared invalid. This is given to be 200. Fast, do it fast, do it fast. Clear? Yes or no? Come on. Say, guys. So can I say the value of 100 is 269? Your answer is 269. The value of 100 is 269. So your answer is 269. Done. Not 200, it's 269. Everyone understood? Come on, say. So again, guys, saying you one point, that whenever you solve a question on percentage, always keep in mind percentage asks 4 questions. Pre-level asks 4 questions. One is on the ratio, they ask question. One they ask from election, okay. Other they ask from income and expenditure. So always remember these things, because these are the 100% sure areas where SBI people ask a question. Correct. So let me show you one more thing, that tomorrow we are having a which class. As all of you know that I have guided you, everyone, that you can go in the account. You can go in the test, beginners level. You have a clerk pre-level, PO pre-level, clerk mains level, PO mains level, advanced PO mains level, past year paper, speed improvement. Let me take a test on speed improvement. Start. Can I get one question on speed improvement? Come on, guys. Can you answer this question again? Can you answer 86, 107, 126, 149, 174? Come on, answer me in the comment section, okay? If you can answer. Let me show you one more thing. So this week we are only completing the quant, first of all. Okay, this week we are only completing the quant, guys. So you should have that understanding that we are completing the quant, and I want that everyone do subscribe to this channel, and this week this should be 2000. We have low subscriber, but I think you guys will help that it would become 2000 this week only. So guys, you can see the classes which I'm having. Today was percentage. Tomorrow we have SI and CI. Tomorrow we have SI and CI. So all the questions of SI and CI. Then we have profit and loss, then discount. Then we have average. And then we have Venn diagram. Okay. So this week we are going to discuss all the questions of arithmetic level, and I hope that this will help you a lot. I would request all of you to do share the session to all of your friends. Till then, I hope you really enjoyed the class. Bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Take care. Signing off. Agnimitra. Bye everyone.